Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Supernova 101. Today we're tackling a subject that is at the heart of creating a smooth and efficient workflow. With the help of Supernova's component-specific blocks, you'll be able to document your component guidelines, showcase their health status, and give your users a general overview of your component library. Think of component content blocks as the building blocks for your project. They help you organize and manage your components, and the greatest part is that the information they display is based on your component management table. This means that you can add metadata to your components, and these changes will propagate to your documentation, so you can keep your team aligned at all times. Let's start with the first type, the component checklist block. This versatile block is perfect for showcasing the necessary development or compliance aspects of an individual component. It's like your personal checklist for each component. Setting it up is simple. All you need to do is add a custom Boolean property in the component manager for each checklist element you want to display. But remember, a checklist is only as good as the information it provides, so make sure to add a description to the property. This ensures it shows up in the documentation website for everyone to see. Next up, we have the component health block. This one's a real game changer when it comes to displaying the overall status and links to an individual component. This block essentially gives you a health report of your component. To get it up and running, head over to the documentation editor options of the component health block and select the properties you want to display. Just a heads up, the status properties will affect the color that will be displayed for the health of this block. So choose the ones that suit your brand the best. Finally, we come to the component overview table. This powerful block is ideal for displaying various properties across multiple components or component groups. It is like having an overview dashboard for all your components. Setting it up is super straightforward. Simply go to the documentation editor options of the component table block and select the properties you want to be displayed in the table. To make the table even more useful, if you have URL and Figma component properties, these will allow your viewers to access the source of your components directly from the table. And there you have it, a quick guide to setting up component blocks in Supernova. Stay tuned for our next episode of Supernova 101 series. Until next time, happy designing!